Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about tiny homes, but not the ones where you have to sleep with your feet in the fridge and cook breakfast in the bathroom. No, we're diving into the Aussie-style tiny home that's redefining tiny, the Billi. At 10 meters, 32.8 feet, long, this isn't your average cramped shoebox on wheels. It's more like a luxury suite that somehow ended up with a driver's license. Before we jump in, if you love cars, tiny homes, or just hearing a guy rant about engineering marvels, hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps us rolling, literally and figuratively. Alright, let's get into it. So, the Billi. This thing is basically the penthouse of mobile homes. With an open floor plan, massive windows, and 2 separate entrances, it's got more privacy options than some apartments. One entrance leads straight to the living room, which, if you upgrade, connects to an exterior deck, turning your home into a lounge that just happens to have wheels. The second entrance? That takes you straight into the bedroom, which is a genius move because, let's be real, in most tiny homes, privacy is just a fancy word for turning your back for a second. Inside, the kitchen is fully loaded. There's a full-size pantry, a separate fridge tower, and even a multi-purpose island that works as a breakfast bar, prep station, and storage unit all in one. And because Australians take tiny living seriously, the bathroom is basically spa level. A full-size shower, wooden vanity, recessed medicine cabinet with internal shelving, and a hidden electric toothbrush charger. Yes, even in a tiny home, your toothbrush gets VIP treatment. Now, let's talk about the lounge area. There's a recessed bench built right into the window space, which is perfect for reading, relaxing, or just staring dramatically at nature while pretending you're in a movie. If you opt for the off-grid package, you can take the outdoor experience up a notch with an exterior deck, outdoor shower, or even a bathtub under the stars, because nothing says off the grid like soaking in a tub while kangaroos judge you from a distance. Now, let's talk numbers. The Billi starts at 137,000 Australian dollars, $85,800, which, considering what you get, is a pretty sweet deal. And if you're in northern NSW or southeast Queensland, you might just see one of these rolling past you on the highway. So, what do you think? Would you live in a tiny home like this, or do you need a bit more space? Drop a comment below, and while you're at it, become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. Yep, for less than the price of a questionable gas station coffee, you can keep this show on the road. Links in the description. See you in the next one.